Sahyadri National School, Standard 3, Science.
Children, we are learning first lesson living and non-living things. This is the next part of what we have just learned.
So, shall we revise? What are the features of living and non-living things? First one, they can move by themselves. What was the example? Rat. Whereas the non-living things cannot move by themselves. Very good, children. Living things need food and water, like a cat catches a rat. Whereas non-living things do not need food and water. Living things grow and develop. Non-living things do not grow and develop. So, we have learned 3 features. Very good, children. The next feature of living things is living things can breathe. Plants breathe through small pores which are present on the surface of their leaves. These pores are called stomata. The animals like tiger, lion, human beings, they breathe with the help of nose. Then what about the animals like fishes? They breathe with the help of gills. But the non-living things cannot breathe. Shall we take a quick recap what we have learned? Yes, let's go ahead. First feature was living things can move by themselves, whereas the non-living things cannot move by themselves. Which was the second one, children? They need food and water. And non-living things do not need food and water. Living things grow and develop. Non-living things do not grow and develop. The last one, which we have just learned, is they can breathe, whereas the non-living things cannot breathe. Very good, children. So, shall we summarize what we have learned? We have learned the examples of living and non-living things. The examples of living things are people, mushroom plant, flower, trees, dragonfly, frog, fishes, birds, and other animals. What about non-living things? Here are some examples given on the screen. Teddy, ball, doll, balloon, cloud, skateboard, and even other toys also. Children, we have also learned the features of living and non-living things. Let's see one by one. Living things can move by themselves. The second feature was living things need food and water. With the help of food and water, living things grow and develop. Even living things can breathe. Exactly opposite things are applicable for non-living things. Non-living things cannot move by themselves. They do not need food and water. Non-living things cannot grow and develop. Even non-living things cannot breathe. Yes, children, this is not the end at all, but we are going to meet again in the next video. So, let's stop here. Till then, bye-bye. Read the lesson properly. Take care.